What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a showdown that's been heating up for years. It's the ultimate lifestyle war between two hip-hop titans, 50 Cent and Rick Ross. Strap in, because we're about to take you on a tour of their jaw-dropping net worth, jaw-dropping mansions, and those jaw-droppingly luxurious cars. This is 50 Cent vs. Rick Ross, Lifestyle War 2023 edition. Kicking things off with the numbers, let's talk cold, hard cash. 50 Cent, the rap mogul and business tycoon, has been stacking paper for years. As of 2023, his net worth stands tall at a staggering $400 million, making him one of the richest rappers in the game. On the other side of the ring, we have the boss himself, Rick Ross. With an empire that spans music, fashion, and more, Ross boasts a net worth of around $100 million. While not quite as hefty as 50's, it's still enough to fund an ultra-lavish lifestyle. Now, let's step inside their opulent abodes. 50 Cent calls the Skin Mansion his home, a massive Connecticut estate featuring 21 bedrooms, 25 bathrooms, a nightclub, a casino, and even a fully equipped recording studio. This palace is valued at an eye-watering $18 million. Meanwhile, Rick Ross holds it down in Georgia with his sprawling Fayetteville estate. With 109 rooms, including 12 bedrooms and a whopping 21 bathrooms, this mansion is a true testament to the lavish lifestyle. Estimated at $5.8 million, Ross's home is a sight to behold. Of course, what's a lifestyle war without some insanely luxurious cars? 50 Cent's garage is nothing short of a supercar sanctuary. With a fleet that includes a Lamborghini Veneno, Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a custom Pontiac G8, his car collection is valued at over $4 million. But don't count Rick Ross out just yet. The boss cruises in style with his own collection of high-end vehicles. From the sleek Maybach 57 to his stunning Rolls-Royce Wraith, Ross's car collection adds up to a cool $1.5 million. Beyond the numbers, let's talk about lifestyle. 50 Cent's lifestyle is all about power moves and big business. He's got his hands in everything from music and film production to investments in companies like Vitamin Water and SMS Audio. On the flip side, Rick Ross has established himself as not only a music mogul but also a connoisseur of the finer things. From his own Wingstop franchise to his line of Bel Air champagne, Ross's empire extends far beyond the music industry. And there you have it, folks, the clash of the titans, 50 Cent and Rick Ross, going head-to-head in the ultimate lifestyle war of 2023. Whether it's their jaw-dropping net worth, their palatial mansions, or their envy-inducing car collections, these two hip-hop heavyweights know how to live large. Who do you think takes the crown in this battle of extravagance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive glimpses into the lives of your favorite celebrities. Until next time, stay flashy.